Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the month of March and how the price of crude can move in the month of April 2024. See, there is a continuous upside we have seen from 3 months and chances are very high because it is already very close to its resistance we can see coming at a level of $83.45. As soon as started sustaining this level, you can keep this as a stop loss or a support because we will see that it can sustain this level. Okay, till the time it is moving below this level, we can see a bounce back towards down also we can come, but chances are very high we can see there will be a further upside. Okay, as soon as started going over 83.45, we will see it will cross a level of around $84.72, and from there it will move above a level of $88, and from there a further upside movement we can see. Keeping in that mind that chances are very high it will cross a level of 90, and from there it will cross a level of $93, and chances of going further upside will be there. Look at this particular trend. What was happened that when the pandemic was there was a continuous rise after pandemic. Okay, so when it was going high, okay, there is a profit booking coming, so that you have to understand, and it was quite good. Okay, there is a continuous downfall and then a swing was forming, that is where it was going upside, and this is the time where the Russia war was there. So we have seen a continuous downfall, and till now we have not seen this level has come. Okay, even if you look at the dollar index also, at this particular level we have seen the dollar index was moving down, and after that it is rising. Understand these, there is inverse relation between dollar index and crude and other naturally other commodities, but there are a lot of other factors. See, when the price of dollar index are moving, the price of crude is also moving upside, so there are a lot of other factors also responsible when the price of commodities move upside or down. So always, to reduce this uncertainty, try to set your SL. If you are setting your SL, you will save your capital. This is very important. If you are setting your SL, you will save your capital. If you are trailing your SL, you will save your profit. These two things you should have to do. The dollar index. Okay, if you are looking at the dollar index, what you can see, there is a zone. Okay, this is the zone. The dollar index is trading above a level of 104. Now it is at a level of 104.4. So it once started crossing this level, a further upside we can see because there will be a zone breakout we can see. So dollar index will move further high. So once the dollar index started going upside, we will see that crude can go further down. But as we have seen that the dollar index was also moving and the crude was also moving upside, so there is a probability we can see the crude can also move further upside. Okay, and once the price started going on this level, it will go further high, and yes, from there it can go towards a level of $105, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of 105.8, and then a further high we can see towards 106 also, and then it can move further upside. Okay, and chances of crossing a level of 107 also we can see. So we can see there will be a rise in the crude also, but they are inversely related, so you have to understand looking at this particular chart. Okay, because from 2-3 months we have seen the price of dollar index also moving and the crude is also moving upside. Okay, now if the price started falling below a level of 104, then there will be a probability that we can see the dollar index will move further down and the crude price can go further upside because they are inversely related, but other factors are responsible that are they're moving together. Okay, sometimes they move together, but when the volatility some event comes, then we see a good volatility as per that. Okay, so if the price started falling below this level, we can see there will be a fall in the crude prices. Okay, but always set your SL, because see, as I've already explained you that when the crude price was rising, the dollar index was also rising. The dollar index rising, the crude price also rising, and when it was falling, they were also falling. Okay, so remember this. This is because they are inversely related, but they were moving in the both direction. So understand to keep your SL. Okay, keeping your SL will save your capital. Trailing your SL will save your profit. Now, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the month of April 2024, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high it will go towards a level of 84.89. Okay, if the price moving above that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 85.5 will be there. Suppose if the price sustain above 85.5, we will see it will go further upside because 85.5 is already being tested. So we will see it will touch a level of around 90.46. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards a level of around $93. Once the price started going above that level, we will see a level of 95.26, which is the half of the zone. Okay, so keep it in mind that as soon as the price started going above level of 83.5, a further upside movement we can see. From there it will cross a level of around $85.5, and then there is a probability of going above a level of $90. If the price started going off this level, a further upside movement we can see. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around 80.94. Okay, and if that level move further low, then we will see it will go further low towards a level of around $77.8. Once the price started falling below $77.8, chances are very high it will go further low towards a level of 73.87, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 71.87. If the price started moving below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of 70, and then from there a level of 68.47. Keep that in mind. As soon as the price started falling below 68.47, a further fall we can see, and then there is a chances of touching a level of 64.27, and then a further fall we can see towards 63.5. Once the price started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.